Dreaming of a vacation in Vietnam? In this video, we will guide you step by step to obtain a visa, which is required for U.S. citizens to enter Vietnam. You have two options, e-visa or visa upon arrival. I do not recommend doing the visa upon arrival. You can run into complications and not be able to enter Vietnam. The best option, the e-visa, can be done easily on the computer at home and printed out. Here are the steps to apply for a Vietnam e-visa to enter the country. Go to the official website for the e-visa for Vietnam. It's evisa.xuathanhapcanh.gov.vn. Your next step is to upload the images to the website. These are some sample photos. They're the passport size photos that you need to upload. Vietnam photo requirements: no glasses, gotta have your hair off your face, no face coverings, gotta be normal, can't be overexposed or underexposed photos. These are the dimensions of the photos that you need to upload to the website. Your next step then is to fill out the required information: name, address, nationality, passport information, where you're staying. It'll walk you through all that. Once you finish that, you're gonna then process it for payment. The cost is $25 US. After that, you will then see your registration code that it's been processed and everything is okay. Your last step is then to wait, check on the website to see the status. Once it's approved, you can then download the PDF. You can download your actual visa that you will need to enter the country. Once you have disembarked the plane, you will then proceed to immigration. At immigration, you must then present the e-visa that you actually printed off of the website when you did your registration. The custom agent will then take that, review it. He will then put a visa in your passport so you can legally enter the country. As you can see, there's an example of what the e-visa looks like that will be attached to your passport. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, please comment below, subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you on your next adventure.